Good morning children, welcome to your drawing session and today we are going to do a beautiful drawing of anybody can guess? Yes, you can read here. We are going to draw space rocket, a very beautiful space rocket. Okay? So I will show you how we have to draw and how your beautiful space rocket is going to look. So children, this is the space rocket we are going to draw and you have to draw it very beautifully and color it with your plastic crayons. You have to color this beautiful rocket with the plastic crayons that you must have. Okay? Don't use wax color children, otherwise you will spoil your copies. You have to use your plastic crayons. So this rocket I am going to stick here and then we will draw it on the board. Okay, now we will start drawing the space rocket over here. Now we will start by drawing a red margin. Okay, and then you will write in between the space rocket very beautifully. Here you are going to write the date. You will write the date over here and then at the corner you will write classwork. Okay, now we will start from the center itself using a scale. So you have to put a scale. Okay, so I am starting with the rocket. With the help of scale children, you will draw a line from here like this. Then again a type of triangle wala line you have to make from the same point. This line will be a little longer, but you have to make with the scale. After you have made this, you will make two C curves going out and back again, and then a small circle with the help of a cap, a bottle cap or any cap, small circle. After this, from here you will again keep the scale. पूरा scale से ही बनाएंगे. You will keep the scale and you will draw a slanting line going backwards and from here again backwards. But हमें इन दोनों को join नहीं करना है. From the down, we will take a curve from outside and we will match it like this. Now, from here, we will make two curves like this. Okay? Now, we have to make a firework. But before that, we have to make the wings. So for wings, what we will do, we will keep the scale over here and we will draw a line outside, going outside. Okay? And from the second curve, take a line slightly slanting. ऐसे slanting line बनानी है. Okay? And then with the help of scale, match these lines. Again, same way here, you will draw the line slanting outwards. Then a little more slanting line and matching it with the line. Okay. Now we have to draw the fireworks. Now children, how will we draw the fireworks? First we have to take from these two end points. Okay, end points पे से लेंगे. We will take it outwards. Okay, in. Then again out, then again in and then one again out. From here, out, in, out, this curve will come. Okay, the line will be curved. Then again in and then जो out वाला आएगा that will touch this line. Okay, so how you have to make this? First you will bring a curve outwards, then you will take it in, a little bit in, then again outwards, then again in and giving a very proper curve. फिर यहाँ से again ये वाला place you have to leave and from here outwards curve, then again in, then again out, and from the same place in, and now you have to take outwards and touch with this block with line. So this way you will make this structure. Okay, now we have to make the inner firework. So here again I have to start from here. In this we will make only one curve, outwards, outwards, in, back and touch, like this. तो इसको हमने कैसे बनाया? One outward curve, one outward curve, in and back, in and touch, like this. Okay, so big वाला ऐसे बनेगा and small वाला like this. So this is your space rocket ready. Now we will make, और क्या होता है space में ये? It is the moon. I have made your moon. So how will we make moon? First a semicircle and then again a big semicircle and touching the same points like this. Okay? A small semicircle, half circle, and then a big semicircles and touching from the same point. Like ऐसे semicircle बनाएंगे. A small C, then a big C from the same point and touching the same point. ऐसे. Okay? Small c and big C. Now children, you can make stars. Okay? Somewhere small, somewhere big stars. So how will you make star? First, a triangle shape, outwards, line going outwards, then both line coming in, okay, then both lines going out and making a shape like this. Okay, so in this way you can make, or if you want to make this star, one going up, then back, then slanting, straight line and back. So you can make this star also. How will we make this one? First we will make A, then we will touch this point from a line going in this direction back like A. ऐसा A, then a straight line and touching these 2 points a straight line like this. So आप ऐसे भी बना सकते हो and you can make any 4 stars I have made. Now we will do the coloring. तो हमें coloring कैसे करना है? First of all, in the moon you will do grey color. You will do grey color. In the stars you will do yellow color. Okay? Now in the space rocket, here you will do light blue color. Here you will do light blue color. Here also we will do light blue color. Okay? The sky blue color you will use. And in this glass also sky blue color we will use. Here we will use dark blue color. Okay? Here we will use dark blue color. In the curves we will do yellow color. Here also yellow color. And here you will do pura dark blue color. In this complete you will do dark blue color. Okay? Here we will do green color. Okay? And here we will do red color. First we will start with red, then yellow, then in this window we will do light blue, in this hole we will do dark blue, here yellow, in the curves here also yellow, then green, and in the wings we will do light blue color. And if you want you can outline this very beautifully with a black sketch pen. Okay, you can outline this very beautifully with the black sketch pen. Now in the fireworks, in the small one you will do yellow and outside you will do orange. Okay children? So in this way you have to complete the rocket. In these stars also you will use yellow color only. Okay, you will not do grey color because grey we are doing in moon. So in the stars very beautifully, without taking your colors out from these stars, you will, and the rocket, you will complete your drawing. Okay, so this you can do very beautifully children. I hope you must have enjoyed this drawing. Enjoyed? Yes? Good. So this is all for today. We shall meet in the next class, and at the end I will attach the picture of drawing so you can see how it is drawn and how coloring I have done. Okay, if you don't understand anything, you can just see in the picture. Okay, so till we meet in the next class, bye bye and have a good day.